Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Dr. Snigdha Sharma, Academic Head, Medical Courses from Academically. And today with us, we have Dr. Divya, who has recently cleared her APC exam. So, Dr. Divya, congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
And has the feeling sunk in ki ho gaya paper? Like it's
Yeah,
done.
so right now I feel really relieved
Mhm.
because it was like all those late nights and struggles and everything and hard work and everything that I have to really focus on. So
Mhm.
it's really good, and I'm very much delighted to share my experience that I successfully cleared it. It was really tough, but yeah, like hard work really pays off. And I also want to say that this milestone which I have achieved is like not only my dedication and hard work, but it also because of the constant support of all my mentors who are here with me. Yeah.
Oh, that's so great to
Mhm.
just be humble and remember all your mentors. We are what we are because of them, and that is a sheer truth.
For sure, ma'am. Yes.
So, why did you decide to take this path of APC?
So it's really like this is one of my dream to become a registered physiotherapist in Australia. So like currently I'm in Melbourne, Australia. So I have been like applying in most of the jobs as well. So it's like really I want to take an initiative to clear my license exam so that I can get into the job and I can know the Australian culture and the work ethics and everything. So this is
Okay,
one of my job, like dream job to work here.
okay. So, how long back did you migrate to Australia before
So
you
it's been
decided?
more than 2 years. So it's like 2.5 years now.
Okay, and when did you come across academically, and how did you start preparing with academically?
So it was last year, Feb 2024. I came
Okay.
across academically. I was just looking on the internet and searching for some good courses where I can study and prepare for my APC
Mhm.
examination. So I just came across academically, and I got really good reviews, and everyone passing rate was really,
Yeah.
really excellent. So that's how I actually came to know about academically.
So, were you just as curiosity, were you attending live lectures or were you doing them as recorded, or how was
So I wasn't actually getting really a good time to attend the live lectures because I had really work schedule and everything here. So it was really difficult to set up my time because I think we are 5 hours ahead of the Indian time.
it?
So I couldn't manage everything. So it was all the recorded lectures I was going through.
Okay. So how were you able to ask, how well, I would say, were you able to ask your queries regarding any topic that you have?
So I was having like I still remember I was having few queries about some of the topics. So Dr. Sonal was always available for to answer very readily for my questions. So we used to do Gmeet, or she used to answer me with the via emails and WhatsApp. So it was a really good connect with the mentors.
Okay, that's just great to hear. Dr. Sonal would be happy to listen that she was able to be a part of your journey with the
Yeah, she was actually, yes.
Okay, so what's next for you? How do you
Uh,
plan your
So
journey?
I'm planning ahead now. Like currently, I'm coming to India for next 6 weeks. So I'm vacation mode right now. But yes, well, when I return back to Australia, I will be preparing for my capability assessment, and then I'll go through the clinical workshop to attend here.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
that sounds good. So once again, congratulations, Dr. Divya, and please stay in touch with us.
Thank you, ma'am. Definitely,
Yeah.
definitely for sure.
Take
Thank you so
care.
much.
Take care.